Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with ShareASale for affiliate marketing offers, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with ShareASale, open your web browser. Type ShareASale into the search bar and hit enter. Click on the official ShareASale website link. On the home page, locate the Become an Affiliate option. Click on the Become an Affiliate button to initiate the registration process. You will be redirected to the registration form. Fill in your basic information such as name and email address. Create a strong password for your account. Provide your website URL or social media profile where you intend to promote offers. If you don't have a website, you can enter a placeholder or leave it blank. Select your country from the drop-down menu. Agree to the terms of service by checking the box provided. Once all fields are filled out, click on the Join ShareASale button. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after. Open your email inbox and locate the confirmation email from ShareASale. Click on the confirmation link within the email to verify your account. After verification, return to the ShareASale website and log in using your credentials. Once logged in, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the tools available. Go to the Merchants tab to start browsing available affiliate offers. Use the search feature or categories to find specific offers relevant to your niche. Apply to join the affiliate programs that interest you. Some programs may require additional information or approval. Once approved, you can access your unique affiliate links. Begin promoting these links through your chosen platform. Monitor your performance through the dashboard to optimize your strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.